Hi, I'm Dan from Grillstream, and today I'm going to show you how to attach the cooking frame to the cabinet of your Grillstream Classic Gas Barbecue. With the cabinet built, it's now time to install the cooking frame. Now, I always recommend a two-person lift on this because they can start to get heavy, especially if it's a bigger barbecue. What we're going to do is lift the cooking frame and just sit it on top of the cabinet, ensuring that the wires are not trapped between the two and that the lugs are on the outside. Now, with the cooking frame on top of the cabinet, it's time to secure it in place. We're going to use 4 of the Part B bolts. And these are going to go through the lugs and into the captive nuts here. Now, ensuring that the holes are lined up with the lugs, we're just going to take our Part B bolts and tighten them up. We'll do the same on the other side, and then it'll be nice and secure.